my first fashion show. Those the pants are actually from Amazon.com. There'll be an affiliate link down if you want to get your own pair. But the shirt is clean. I love it. Nice, comfortable polo shirt. You can wear any time of year, really. You know what I'm saying? Next up, we got these shorts. These are those my dad's a legacy, I'm rich type, you know, yacht kid boat type crap. And the next one is this pink shirt. If you're insecure about pink, just call it double salmon. Alright, but this shirt is dope. It's got the donut on front. One of my first Hawaiian shirts ever. I love this thing. I'm so proud of it. I'm going on vacation, right? So sick, man. Ooh, this is my favorite shirt. I'd actually rock this with a suit, no lie. This junk is so sick, man. I love the little, the bins or the ribbons, the wrapping around the arm or whatever. I don't even know what the technical name of that is. Oh, this is another shirt that's okay. I love it because it's gray. Gray is one of my favorite t-shirt colors to wear. It's just something about it. It's not black, it's not white, it's just right in the middle. This is a nice Levi's shirt, kind of light, you know, spring colors, pastel. This is another one that's kind of pastel. And this is all I want to show you for today.